Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is safe. So today I'll be showing you how I'll be making some coconut fudge. So let's get started. So let's start with the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, half cup of grated coconut, half cup of brown sugar. I also have some essence, some butter, and some grated nutmeg. So we'll head right over to the stove. Here I have a pan over medium heat, and I'm going to add the evaporated milk into this pan. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk along with the brown sugar. And you will find the complete list of ingredients down below in the description box. Alright, so once I add everything, it is time to start mixing everything together. And guys, once you start to mix, the sugar is gonna dissolve, and then you want to continue mixing. Mix until it starts to thicken up. And making fudge, guys, is worth it at the end, but it's a lot of work. You have to do a lot of stirring. So as you can see that the mixture starts to bubble up and the liquid has started to reduce, just keep stirring and scraping the sides of the pan, making sure that the mixture does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring. You can't stop stirring, guys. If you only stop, you'll be messing the whole situation up here. So the mixture has reached a soft boil stage. Just keep stirring to prevent burning. Keep stirring, guys. You don't want this to burn. And it's all worth it in the end. You'll have your own little sweets to munch on. You can see what the mixture looks like. Reduced and bubbly. So keep stirring, guys. Don't stop stirring. So my fudge mixture is all thick and nice. It has thickened a whole lot. And at this time, I want to use the whisk just so that I can whisk this mixture and get a very smooth texture. So my fudge is at the full boil stage, all smooth and nice, but I'm not done. Look at this, guys. What a beautiful texture. So at this stage, I'm going to add the grated nutmeg along with some essence. Whisk this for about 2 minutes over very high heat, making sure that the mixture does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Look at this beautiful creamy texture, guys. This is everything. So now it's time for me to add the grated coconut. Once I add the coconut, I'm going to mix again for another 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn the heat off from under the pot, add some butter, and just whisk this for 5 minutes, guys. So I have a pan that I did prepare with some butter. I rubbed the butter all over this pan, and I'll now pour the fudge mixture into the pan. Once I do this, I'm going to add a little bit of butter over the top and just smooth it out so that the top would be smooth and nice. So now I'll leave the fudge to cool for at least 10 minutes before it hardens, and then I'm going to mark it with a knife. Mark it to any size you think you want to cut your fudge. So yeah, you need to do this before it hardens. So here I take the knife and I just make my mark, just like so. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. Whatever size you choose, then just go for it. So guys, if you notice, I'm marking this fudge, but I'm not marking right down. I'm not cutting right down to the bottom. Alright, this is just an impression that when the fudge hardens, it's going to be very easy to cut through. So guys, now that my fudge is finished marking and all cool and nice, I am taking my chopper, yes, my chopper, guys, and just mark right down to the bottom. And if you notice I'm not pulling the knife, that's because I do not want to destroy my pan, guys. So it's all done, marked up and nice, and it's time to remove the fudge from the pan. So I remove them and I place them into my beautiful little jar. So these fudge are made with coconut, guys, so keep them in the refrigerator. I'm storing mine into this beautiful jar because they are not going to last as long as a snow cone. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't you forget to subscribe. Press that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video, and I will see you soon.